you burp if you haven't eaten anything?
Yeah. There we go. There. Another one. Being terrible at Apex. How to get rid of fence. How was your day, guys? Burp? There you go. Jessica, bro, your hairs were too big? Yeah, it's not mama boys battle. You like Dio? I liked the burp. My island. Same. King 9.
Ready and excited.
Excuse me. I feel like you have nothing to wear. Hi, Ishti cat. Oh, I realized that was so my turnips. Hello, Emma. Can I burp on command? Yes. Okay, let me come to Carrie. Ooh. Thank you, Birdie. Oh my god, it's the 2 pigs. Get the fuck out, please.
To check out what's streaming right now.
Okay, I would not push any to be eaten. That's so fucking useless. I love pineapple. Mangoes have this weird aftertaste. It's so level my eyeballs out. Like, he's so. It's literally the one I needed. Timothy. Sorry. Hi, hat. I don't know why they even have the idea for.
To help prevent further spread of this dangerous virus. Physical distance.
Oh wait. Cam. You know I burp when I'm hungry. It's really weird.